welcome. I'm so happy you're here today. We are going to make a quick and easy homemade dressing, Thousand Island dressing, one of my favorite dressings of all time, not just for salads, but also for dipping veggies in. You can use it on a hamburger as a special sauce. We have a special sauce recipe, burger sauce recipe, if you want to check that out. I'll put the link up there. But if you've got this in the fridge and you're making hamburgers, definitely use this on your burger. I always have at least 3 different salad dressings in the refrigerator, homemade, at all times, because I eat a ton of salad. And yes, I could probably go get some bottled dressing. Not too many to choose from because I'm dairy free too. But the flavor's just not the same. You cannot compare a bottled dressing with a homemade dressing. You don't get the depth of flavor. You don't get that freshness. So for me, making dressings at home it's a little time consuming, but it is totally worth it. So again, we are doing Thousand Island dressing, and I have my mayonnaise in here. And so now I'm going to add shallot. You can use red onion or yellow onion, but I like using shallot. And then the ketchup, probably the most important ingredient to make it Thousand Island. Got that in there. And then some garlic, minced very fine. And then the sweet relish, that is the other ingredient that makes Thousand Island Thousand. And I'm not sure where the Thousand Islands are and where this dressing came from. I'm not asking those questions, I'm just enjoying it. But if you'd like to find out and let me know, leave it in the comments below, because I would really kind of like to know that. I do like trivia. So I've got some white wine vinegar. And lastly, a little powdered dry mustard. I'm gonna mix it up. I always like to use a whisk to mix. I feel like I get a better mix than with a spoon. Oh, it's looking like Thousand Island. Okay. I haven't added any salt and pepper yet, but I want to give it a taste, see where we are. Oh my goodness, the depth of flavor. I can taste the garlic and the shallot and the ketchup, but I can't taste the ketchup. And that's the whole point. You never want a Thousand Island that tastes too ketchupy. Same thing with the sweet relish. I don't want it to be so relish forward. This is very well balanced. It does need a little bit of salt and a little pepper. And I'm going to add a fair amount of pepper, because one of the things you can add to this dressing that I will not, because I don't like heat or spicy things, would be a little hot sauce. Or I wouldn't do red pepper flakes, maybe in a little cayenne. So I added a little bit more black pepper, which will add a little flavor and not be too spicy. Okay, let's see where we are. Oh. That is almost perfect. I'm just going to add a little bit more salt. That's what's so great about making your own dressing, is you can make it exactly like you want. If you do want to taste more ketchup, put in more ketchup. If you'd love to have more sweet relish, put more of that. If you're not a big fan of garlic, don't put it in. Oh, it still tastes good. Okay, I think that is absolutely perfect. I am going to transfer a little bit to this bowl. Then we're going to do tasting with an actual vegetable, piece of celery to be exact. Okay, oh yeah, oh this is good, this is good. Okay, I'm getting a lot on there because I'm not going to double dip. But I could, because I put it in a bowl and nobody else is going to eat it, but I won't. Okay, that's some good stuff right there. I cannot wait to have a salad. And then after I have the salad, I'm going to get some carrots and celery, and I'm going to dip it in there, and I'm going to eat those. Oh my God, me and the Thousand Island dressing are going to have some fun.
What about a Reuben sandwich?
Oh, a Reuben sandwich. Of course, Thousand Island goes on a Reuben. So there's another use for it. Homemade dressings, definitely the way to go. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up by hitting the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, enable notifications. And if you're interested in any other dressings, we've got about 3 or 4 videos from ranch dressing to tzatziki sauce. Check out our dressing and salad playlist. And until next time, happy eating. Why do I always eat things that take me forever to chew? Let me chew it and then you can edit back in. Oh, let me do that again. Let me do the whole thing again.